Hi guys, welcome back. I told you I am dividing this video into three. So this is like the second part of it. It's not even like second, it's the second part. So yeah, I want to make the other one, which is the icing sugar coconut candy. And yeah, I'm done with the first one. I showed you the video, you saw everything. So now I'll be doing the second part, which is the icing sugar type of it. Coconut candy. Icing sugar coconut candy. And yeah, look at this guy. He said he has not tasted coconut candy before, and he's just coming from church. As I told you that he was not around when I was doing the first process of the first one, and when he came back, he was like, "I've not tasted it before," so he have tasted it right now. Yeah, look at how I packaged. This is like one of where I packaged it. So let me just let you know that yeah, it's a very nice one. Let's take part of it. You've not said hi to my subscribers. Say hi now. Hi. And welcome to Chinelo's channel.
Welcome to Chinelo's channel.
So yes, guys, it's really it's really yummy. It's really sweet. So today I'll be doing the second part of it, which is the icing sugar coconut candy. I already have my coconuts peeled and processed. Let me not just take you through a long process. We already know how we did the first one. Peel it and then grate it with the grater. I'll just show you the already grated coconut and my icing sugar. So I have my icing sugar here. I'll take out of it. Yeah, I'll take out of it and then go on to process the coconut candy. Yes, so if you are new to this channel and you don't really know what I'm talking about, see, I didn't introduce much of it. You can watch my last video on coconut candy. Yeah, I did that one with strictly sugar and I prepared it. This time around I'm making icing. I'm using icing sugar to make it. So I admonish you to don't stop watching. Yeah, don't stop watching. Watch till the end. And if you enjoy watching, like I said, if you are new, then hit that subscribe button there. Hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post an interesting video like this. Give me a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about what I do. Like any video you watch, just tell me what you think about it. And yes, I admonish you to also try it. If you're a mother, try it for your kids. They really love it. They love it. Fine, you don't have to add much sugar, so because of maybe purge and all that, but that's the process of making coconut candy. So if you had to do it, it's optional. You know what you want, your kids want, you know how you're gonna apply the sugar. That's why I didn't give you any much measurements here, so you're gonna decide on how you're gonna do it for yourself. So I'll just show you the already grated coconuts. You can see it very well. Yeah, that's my already grated coconut, and I've showed you my icing sugar. I'll just go ahead to take out of it, and that's my coconut water. I have coconut water here. I'm gonna be using it. Yeah, so in making your coconut candy with your icing sugar, you need the coconut water for it. Yes, that's the three ingredients that we need for icing sugar coconut candy. So guys, let's go over to Chinelo's kitchen. We're already in Chinelo's kitchen, so let's just go on to the process of making coconut candy. Let me not talk too much, Joe. My returning subscribers, I say a big thank you to you. Thank you for always making this channel a success. I appreciate you all. Yes, let's not waste much time. Let's just start off with the preparation or the process of getting icing sugar coconut candy. So guys, let's go. First off, guys, I'm adding my coconut water. Like I said, I'm using coconut water and icing sugar. Then I'll add my icing sugar into my frying pan. Mix together. I already have my heat on it. After mixing, I'll add my coconuts already grated. Then I'll also mix together. After mixing together, I'll then cover it so it will come to a boil. When it has boiled, guys, we'll start turning it, and the turning will be a continuous process. because we are trying to make it get dried. And then it's like we are cooking our coconut. This is a way of preserving it, because guys, if you notice, after breaking a coconut open, you will notice that it tends to start getting sticky and then spoiled overnight. And even if you have to put your coconut in the fridge, it also changes its form. So this way, after cooking your coconut and preparing the coconut candy, you can keep it anywhere and it will still be okay for you for some days. Now, as you can see, it has gotten dried and we are turning so it will get brown, cooked and brown. Yes, coconut candy is a very special, should I say, snacks. We prefer it then. Like I said, I took myself back to when I was growing up. This is like what we normally buy in the school then, and it's special. It is special because these days you hardly just see it anywhere, but then you can find it anywhere. Like I said, you can only find maybe in the supermarkets or some places, but this time around it's rare for you to just see it the way we see it then and buy it. So the kids of these days don't have that opportunity that we had then while growing up to see this in any given shop. So yes, coconut candy is a very special one, guys, and as you can see, it's almost ready. The way it is, you can mold into shape. It can be molded into shape as a way of keeping or preserving it. Guys, our coconut candy is ready. It's done. Yeah, you can also do this, and if you feel like reducing the icing sugar, you can. So guys, I present to you my coconut candy. I hope you enjoyed watching and the learning. Yes, I hope you try this out and tell me what you think in the comment section. Yes. Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed watching or learning how I made the icing sugar coconut candy. Here he is again. You need to hear what he said. I will not tell you what he said, so I'll just ask him. Let him tell you by himself what he said about this after tasting out of it. Yes, this is our icing sugar coconut candy. As you can see, we have a brighter color here and it's sticky, so you can, like I said, mold into shape. And here, look at it guys, look at it guys, isn't it beautiful? So Delight, tell them what you said about icing sugar coconut candy and sugar coconut candy. Tell them.
I prefer icing sugar coconut candy to sugar coconut candy.
So guys, it's based on choice. He have tasted sugar coconut candy, he has tasted this one now, and he said he preferred this one. So guys, is your choice. Is after making sugar coconut candy, you try making icing sugar coconut candy, you will choose from both which one you want. And guys, stay back, another video is coming up. I'm teaching you another way of making coconut candy. I hope you enjoyed watching this particular one. Yes, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I will ask you, what are you waiting for? Yes, if you have been watching this particular channel and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button. Click on that subscribe button. Like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Share me out if you can, and comment in the comment section. Yeah, comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this sweet candy. Tell me what you think about this special coconut candy. Yeah, we'll be back soon with another video. Yeah, I will see you back. I will see you soon with another video. Until then, thank you for watching. Thank you for being there. Thank you for being in Chinelo's channel. Thank you. I love you, guys. So until then, Chinelo signing out. Bye bye.